is Arun. I'm going to be talking about estimating the shape of medical snake robots using Lie algebra. So at Carnegie Mellon, we have developed snake-like robots for minimally invasive surgeries. And it's very important for us to estimate the shape of the snake robot as it enters the body. And to do that, we need to develop filtering techniques which can accurately estimate the shape, which further means we need to estimate the position and orientation of bodies evolving over Lie group. The motivation for this work comes from the work of Chirik Jain and others, who look at bodies evolving in an SE3 space and look at its distribution. It looks like a banana, and approximating that with a Gaussian is not really a very good idea. So you instead fit a Gaussian to the spread in the space of its Lie algebra, and then map it back into the Cartesian coordinates, and that looks like a better representation of the distribution. So what we do is the medical snake robot has a number of links, and each of these links evolve over the SE3. So we try to use the underlying structure of the Lie group and its algebra to come up with an extended Kalman filter to estimate the position and orientation of each of the links of the robot. So prior work by our group involved coming up with an extended Kalman filter framework where the state vector had the position of the links expressed in terms of its Cartesian coordinates and the orientation of the links expressed in terms of Euler angles. But in our current approach, we're trying to express the location of each of these links using exponential coordinates. And we also derive the process model and the measurement model in terms of exponential coordinates. So by doing so, what we obtain is a very good estimate of the shape of the snake. So if you look at the plots over there, the blue curve is the ground truth, and the green curve is the shape as estimated by our approach, while the red one is the shape as estimated by the approach which uses conventional parameterizations like Cartesian coordinates and Euler angles. We observe that the error is pretty low in our approach, the maximum error as well as the average error over all links. So yes, I would be happy to discuss more about this with you during the interactive session. Thank you very much.